Betty again. We're gonna make some peanut brittle. Woohoo! Okay, so we got a cup of sugar, half a cup of light corn syrup, a cup and a half of peanuts, a tablespoon of butter, and it could be margarine or butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, so first we're gonna coarsely chop our peanuts up. So once you have those all coarsely chopped, then you're gonna butter a big pan. So just butter a big pan. Noisy, noisy. Okay, we're gonna combine the sugar and the corn syrup in a microwave safe bowl. Microwave on high for 4 minutes. This beeped and I took it out of the microwave. The mixture is boiling, so we're going to add our coarsely chopped nuts. Okay, so now we want to stir in the butter. And you eat it. Yeah. Okay, all they did was put it in the freezer for about 10 minutes. Woo! Okay, Lindsay, you love peanut brittle. Try a piece.
That's really good.
Okay, I'm gonna try a piece. I love it.
Me too.
Okay. So that's it. Voila, look at that. Abracadabra. Won't that take like 20 minutes?
Not even.
Okay. We're done.